I've directed that any civil servant who fails to come to work is automatic dismissal. Any site that is not working, the workers are dismissed. And any shop or store all over Ebonyi State that closes, we lose the right of occupancy of, such stores. The economy of Southeast will be destroyed by the reason of very few that are self-seeking. We are known for trade, and anyone who is advocating sitting at home in Southeast is evil, because Southeast has not caused the problem of anybody. If anybody is waging war, that war cannot be in Southeast. Just 2 days back, a policeman was killed again by attack at Ezra South. The security people that have dedicated their lives to save us are being attacked. What senseless manners should that be? And it's important that our young men should understand that the future belongs to them, and they must not.